So today, August 16th, is it the date? Shibarium launch. I'm going to show you the agenda for today's conference, the Futurist Conference. Notice I didn't say concert. I've been saying it's weird. I say Futurist concert. I don't know why. And proof that there is going to be discussion about Shibarium today. But here's the thing. Do I know if Shibarium is launching today? Do I control it? Am I the guy who is control of all of it? No, I'm not. So for those of you who want to flame me in the comments and all that kind of stuff down below, that's fine. But I don't have any control over this, guys. I am not a part of the Shiba Inu project. I am not a dev. I am not in control of it. I can only go off of and speculate and comment and have a discussion with you in these videos off of what I know from public available information. I'm following the breadcrumbs just like you are and trying to interpret them. So if you want to flame me, fine, guys, but I have no control over this. So for the last 24 hours, all I've seen in comments is like, Austin, it's your fault it didn't launch. I'm like, no, it's not. So anyway, I'm just saying. All right. So I get it. I'm in the public, face. I talk about SHIB every day. I want you to know I get it. Okay. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, please. Help me with the algorithm and all that kind of stuff. Okay. So here is, guys, this is the agenda right here. Look, Blockchain Futurist Conference. This is the agenda for today. Notice I've got August 16th highlighted. And right here, Shibarium in the end game at 5:35. Let me even zoom in on that so you can see that even better. Right there. 5:35 Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, to 5:50 Shibarium in the end game. This is Satoshi, I believe, going to be doing the presentation. There it is. That's it. That's what I know. You see on the screen on this video what I know. You see the sum total of what I know. Okay. Just saying, right? Okay. Am I speculating? Do I think that they're going to launch it? Yes, I think that they will launch it. I think if you look at all the factors, all the teasing, everything that's been discussed, everything that we know been leading up to this, do I think they will? Yes, I do. But again, guys, I'm going to say I'm not in control of this. They could come out and go, hey, Shibarium, it's the end game. It's going to be great. It's going to be blah, 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 blah. And we're launching in 3 weeks. I have no control over this. I'm only going off of what I know. Again, I'm following the breadcrumbs just like you are, and I'm interpreting them. And sometimes I get them wrong. I am a human. I am not perfect. Okay. Just saying. All right. So let's take a look real quickly before we let go of this discussion, see what's going on. The overall crypto market today sucks. Down 1.5%. Bitcoin falling to 29.1. Ethereum actually holding steady. God, Ethereum hardly is moving right now at all. But look at this. Dogecoin's down 6%. XRP down 5%. Cardano down 5%. Solana 6%, etc. Polygon down 7%. SHIB down 5.4%. Now that's SHIB itself. Okay. Bone was doing halfway decent, and it actually has gone back down. Okay. This morning, just about an hour ago or so, depending upon when you're watching this video, it was in a positive range. Okay. So the overall crypto market being pushed down dramatic today. This is not a Shiba Inu specific thing when the overall, because I look at this, guys, I look at that percentage and go, okay, that's what's going on in the overall crypto market. Market's moving down, etc. And the top cryptos are getting popped with it. Okay. So that's where we're at, guys. And again, I want to tell you, thank you truly for your support every single day following myself, my channel. Thank you so much. Okay. And I love this job, but some days are trying. Some days are stressful. I'm not going to tell you that. I mean, I'm telling you that, right? Because here's the thing. I guess being in the public, talking about crypto every day, I get attacked sometimes, and that's part of the job and it's part of the gig. And I get it. Okay. But hey, I'm right here with you guys. I'm only going off the info we have, and I love it. And thank you for your support. And there's good days and there's bad days, just like anything. So with that, I'm waiting just like you to 5:35. Let's take a look real quickly at what that final time was, right? Okay, right here at 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to see. So look, right here, here's actually the speaker, Shibarium in the end game. Terry from SHIB, Satoshi via AI, Marcy, Call via AI, Dawa, who is that UX architect. There you go. That UX, I think, is like the user interface, things like that. So that's our speakers who are going to be on the main stage from 5:35 until 5:50. Hopefully, we will get the announcement that we are looking at the mainnet launch. I'll see you. Bye.